When it comes to home upgrades in the villages, replacing your doors is more than just a cosmetic update. It's about improving comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. The right door can enhance curb appeal, lower energy bills, and boost security. But with so many material options available, making the right choice can feel overwhelming. Here's a helpful guide to choosing the best door materials for your home in the villages. Why door material matters. Your door is the first thing guests see, but it also plays a functional role in protecting your home. Material impacts how well your door stands up to Florida's heat, humidity, and occasional storms. It also affects insulation, maintenance needs, and overall lifespan. By understanding the pros and cons of different door materials, you'll be able to make a decision that matches both your style and your lifestyle. Popular door material options. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are one of the most popular choices in the villages. They're known for durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. Unlike wood, fiberglass doesn't warp, crack, or rot in humid climates. Modern fiberglass doors can also mimic the look of natural wood, giving you the beauty of wood without the upkeep. Homeowners appreciate their insulation properties, which help keep cooling costs down during Florida's hot summers. Best for homeowners who want a balance of style, energy savings, and low maintenance. Steel doors. If security is a top priority, steel is a strong option. Steel doors are tough, affordable, and resistant to intruders. They also provide good insulation, making them energy efficient. However, they can be prone to dents and scratches, and without proper care, rust may develop over time. Still, with modern finishes and protective coatings, steel doors can last for many years. Best for budget-conscious homeowners who want durability and enhanced security. Wood doors. Wood doors offer timeless beauty and classic appeal. They can be customized with intricate designs, glass panels, or bold finishes. However, in the village's humid climate, wood requires consistent maintenance. Without sealing and proper care, wood can warp or rot over time. That said, many homeowners still prefer wood for its natural warmth and high-end look. Best for those seeking a traditional, luxurious appearance and willing to invest in regular maintenance. Vinyl and composite doors. Vinyl and composite doors are becoming more popular for their affordability and weather resistance. Composite doors, in particular, combine different materials to create a sturdy, insulated option that won't warp or crack easily. These doors come in a wide range of colors and styles, giving homeowners flexibility when matching their exterior. Best for homeowners looking for cost-effective, durable options with minimal upkeep. Factors to consider before choosing. Climate. Florida's humidity and sunshine demand materials that won't warp, crack, or fade. Fiberglass and composite doors perform especially well in these conditions. Energy efficiency. Look for insulated cores and Energy Star rated doors to keep your home cool and energy bills low. Security. Reinforced frames, quality locks, and sturdy materials like steel ensure peace of mind. Style. Your door should complement your home's architecture. From rustic to modern, today's doors offer endless design choices. Budget. While wood may be the most expensive, options like fiberglass and steel deliver long-term value with less maintenance. Making the right choice in the villages. Every home and homeowner is unique, which means there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The key is finding a door material that aligns with your priorities, whether that's style, low maintenance, energy efficiency, or affordability. Many homeowners in the villages choose fiberglass or steel for their durability and ability to withstand the Florida climate, while others invest in wood for its timeless charm. Working with a professional installer ensures that your new door is not only beautiful but also properly sealed and secured. This guarantees maximum performance and long-lasting results. Final thoughts. Replacing your door is an investment in both your home's appearance and its functionality. By carefully considering materials, you can select a door that stands up to Florida's climate while adding style and value to your home. Whether you opt for the elegance of wood, the strength of steel, or the efficiency of fiberglass, choosing the right material will make your home in the Villages more welcoming, comfortable, and secure.